Hey everyone, here is your OnBase Quick Bites tip of the day, and we're going into Workview application class filters. Now, normally, what's frustrating about filters is that it won't allow you to show a preview of what's going to be returned in that filter without a fixed constraint. But what I like to do is a little bit of a cheat. So we can set the object ID not equal to null, and bam, now we can see all of the data that's being returned in our filter without needing to go into the Unity client. I hope this tip helps you out and makes life a little bit easier when configuring your filters in OnBase.